Hello everyone, welcome to my channel शुएब एजुकेशन। आज मैंने माय फर्स्ट डे एट कॉलेज की कोटेशंस लिखी हैं जिनको आप अपने मज़मून में इस्तेमाल करके इम्तिहान में अच्छे नंबर ले सकते हैं। इससे पहले अगर आप चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। Solid learning never falls without the verge of college. We must always have old memories and young hopes. The roots of education are better, but the fruit is sweet. College is fun as long as you do not die. Teachers open the door, but you must enter by yourself. College is a refuge from hasty judgment. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. Good memories are lost jewels. The best way to pray for a lovely moment is to enjoy it. Live in college is more fun than a serious effort to get education.